Hi, I'm Amy. I'm a senior sales executive on IJL, and I just wanted to run through a few things about what to expect when you're on site at the show. So firstly, who is your point of contact? So this may vary as to who you booked your stand with. If you want to know who your account manager is, do just check back on your contract when you booked the stand. It will either be myself, Jade, Lennox, or Fatula. If your contract says Robbie's name, your contact is now Lennox. However, when we're on site, because there's only a few of us on the sales team, we do recruit help from some of our other shows at Reader Exhibitions. These people will act as your single point of contact. And they're there to help you with anything you need when you're on site. These people will try and make themselves known to you during the build-up period, but if you find yourself lost and not knowing who to contact, best thing to do is go to the organiser's office or the sales lounge, or just grab anyone with a badge and they'll be able to help you. Secondly, rebooking. This is something we do on site. A lot of our exhibitors like to secure their stands early for the following year. So do be aware that your point of contact will be wanting to have this conversation with you at some point during the 3 days, but don't panic. You don't have to rebook. It's just to make you aware that that conversation is going to be had at some point. For any last minute thoughts within the weeks running up to the show, if you need anything, best to contact your account manager or contact our customer services team for anything logistical or related to the portal. All of their contact details are on the last slide of this presentation. Finally, for any extras, things like furniture, do remember that furniture's not included. So you may have already booked a furniture package, but if not, do contact your account manager to discuss any extras. Also, we do have a lot of different promotional opportunities, whether that's online campaigns or on-site branding opportunities. If you're interested in any extra exposure, please get in touch with your account manager. So firstly, the Exhibitor Manual. This can be found in the Exhibitor portal under the Services heading. This has everything you could possibly need to know about the show regarding logistics, security, safety, and all the do's and don'ts. Please do make yourselves familiar with the manual before you go on site, as this should answer quite a few questions that you may be having. Regarding your stand, please do refer to the Exhibitor Manual again, as there are many different types of stand at the show and the rules differ for each different type. If your question can't be answered in the manual, obviously do contact your account manager and they'll be able to help you. When you arrive, it's what we call the build-up period. If you have any goods that you need to deliver, we do have a traffic booking system, all the details of which, again, are in the Exhibitor Manual. We do also have porters on site provided by a company called ILS. They will be able to help you with any heavy lifting and delivering goods to your stand. However, I would recommend you book them in advance. Again, details can be found in the manual. With the shell schemes, all design gallery exhibitors have a shell scheme, and a lot of the other exhibitors do as well. If you're not sure, please check your contract. Shell schemes are provided by a company called GES, and they will have a service desk on site. So if you have any problems with your shell scheme, just head to the service desk and they'll be able to help you. Because obviously IJL is a high security show, please do bring your ID and badges to the build-up. All contractors must also be wearing contractor badges to be able to enter the show. Finally, please be aware that the site during build-up is a building site, so please make sure you dress appropriately and obviously use common sense when walking around the show. The IJL team will also be clearly visible with branded high-vis vests, radio and badges should you need anything. Just lastly, we do obviously have a strict security procedure in place to help safeguard you and your possessions, but we do also need your help. Please be extra vigilant and report anything you think is suspicious to a member of our team.